Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Edifier MP260 with a cable. All you need to have to do in it is just a mini jack to mini jack cable, what you receive in the package. And of course your phone should have this port also. It looks like this. So now connect mini jack to this port. And at the back side of the speaker, right here, we can also have this port. So click on it, put your cable to this port. And after that, we should turn on the speaker. Here we go. And right here, we should have this Bluetooth icon. But make sure that you have aux. So to change it, just press one time at the power button. And now we change it to another mode, and again, and again. And we have aux. Cool, now let's check it. I will go to open some video to check is it work. Yeah, and we hear a sound here, so it worked. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!